guys, my name is Victor Isaiah Kamukama, aka TKK, and here today we are in Mbale City. We've come as the Unstoppable campaign here to spread the good news about the NRM, greatest cities in this country. As the youth of Uganda, we are trying to speak out. You know, for so long we've been complaining, how comes our voices are not heard, how comes our visions are not brought to pass, and yet they are. Basically, what Museveni is trying to do in this campaign is trying to show the youth that he cares. He is here for us, he is here to maintain our trajectory into profitability, into success, and through the Sevo Cafe, which is a sort of display of our coffee capabilities. You know, Uganda is one of the largest exporters of coffee in Africa. Apparently, Uganda is exporting more coffee than Ethiopia. So we are trying to show that through the Sevo Cafe, through podcasts, we get to talk to different youth, get to know the problems, get to know the solutions, and what we are doing for the country. Mzee has been doing a lot for the youth, especially things like youth initiatives, educating the youth through UPE and USEE, the youth leadership programs that he's setting up, and everything in that sort. Specifically talking about ICT and infrastructure development, he has been introducing new methods in which the youth are benefiting from ICT and from information. Listen from the youth, listen to the youth. We want to empower the youth through their speech. We want to hear them. We know they are frustrated, we know they are tired of not being heard, not being represented. So that's what we are here to do. We are here to listen to them, to communicate with them, to have a talk with them, and to know what the challenge is. One of the ways Mzee is trying to improve the youth is through the Youth Livelihood Program, YLP. This is an initiative that is in power with PDMs and all the rest. It is a specific program dedicated entirely to the youth of Uganda, especially the youth of Mbale, Kampala, every single other place in Uganda. And its target is to, one, empower them through vocational skills, education skills, ICT skills, so that they can be at par with the rest of the world. He hasn't specified on empowering a certain group of people. I know he has been empowering a lot of the veterans and the elder group, but as Gen Zs, we want to be empowered now. So I'm sure in his next 5 years, in his next candidacy, he will be concentrating on the youth of Uganda.
Mbale is our first destination where we're going to have the Sevo Cafe. Now, the Sevo Cafe is a place where we take a bit of coffee, discuss as the youth, the Gen Z, us as innovators, wealth creators, us as dreamers. This is where we discuss what do we need to do better. What does Mzee, the man with the cup, need to make us put us where we need to be as Gen Z. It's something that's going to stay here. It's not a thing for just campaigns. This is a platform for us, the youth, to come, sit, talk. Let's talk about the coffee in Mbale. Let's talk about the rice growing in Iganga. Let's discuss as farmers, as ICT people, because the president has offered these facilities, but he doesn't know, are they reaching to you? Are they not? So that is what we're here to do in Mbale, to discuss with the young people what is happening in your area, and we're going to do this run for the whole of Eastern Uganda and several parts of Uganda. A colleague of mine said there is Youth Livelihood Program. It does not only give you money, it gives you mentorship as well. They don't just give you the money, they show you when you get this money, where do you put it, where do you get the money from, where should you invest this money. Yeah? That is what the Youth Livelihood Program is. There's also ICT hubs in Mbale SS done this year, 2025 in June. So all these things have been done. We just need to, how can we get them? How are we not getting them? Those are basically the talks we are here to speak up. They do not speak up. They neglect the fact that it's politics. They're like, we don't care, it's not for us, but yet it's for us. This Uganda is ours, and the tomorrow is us. Seated in his room this evening, we want to make sure that 1 or 5 minutes he gets to see, he sees the youth of Mbale talk about the issues they are facing. And like I said, this Sevo Cafe, this Unstoppable program is not just ending today. That this Uganda is ours, we are the next generation, so this is our time to speak. Something that's going to stay consistent.
Industrial State Division, Town Council. Village yange it is a dockside. Jakwebaza nnyo olunaku lwa leero n'abantu abazze mu kitundu kyaffe olunaku lwa leero okuyeza mu bukulembeze waffe akakulu. Namba 1 nze musajja abadde apenga Museveni, President Museveni. Naye olw'ensonga eya leero endeese wano ina ensonga zange bbiri emu okujja okubeera kwekuukuulano luno kubanga kumpadde nnyo amaanyi. One, President Museveni abadde mu kuyinza atuleetedde PDM mu kitundu kyaffe oba mu bitundu byaffe mweriya gye nviiramu PDM buli omu aganyuddwamu afunyeemu. Abamu baguzeemu ente, baguzeemu embuzi, baguzeemu bakoze projekiti zaabwe ng'abantu. Namba 2, olunaku lumu twali kulaale eya Kyagulanyi Kyagulanyi. Naye nze kamakogera nafuna akabenje nafuna akisidenti twakosebwa olaba okugulu kwakosebwa naye teri bujjanjabi bwonna bwe nafuna oba obuyambi bwonna bwe nafuna. Namba 2, wakapiki ke nali mbuga nze nembuzi wa bodaboda era n'elementi yino yina mu ngalo. Tewali obuyambi bwonna bwe nafuna. Ekyokubiri biki yange bagiyitoolako omugaga yagitwala. Olwekyo siina mulimu nadda mu kusabiriza eyali tasabiriza omulimu nalinda biki yapamanike naye olw'obulagajjavu lwange kyova olaba nti natuuka ekiseera nentomera. So neebaza omukulembeze waffe olwaleero lwatuwadde chance eno tubeere afulumya abalongoozi gaffe n'ebituluma mu bitundu byaffe atuyambe ekintu kimu nti atuleetere puroguramu ezituzimba yeyongere otuleetera puroguramu ezituzimba buli kanaku yeyongere otuyisa.
Amanya n'eddoboozi Kitiboti Mukasimu ali mutuuze w'Eddooko ku Lweraawo awali Industrial Park. Olunaku lwa leero ndi musanyufu nnyo olw'ensonga kibiina kino kyakoleddwa abavubuka kijja kuba kibiina kirungi. Ndi musanyufu nnyo ku myaka muzeyi gy'amaze ng'afa olw'ensonga nina eddembe lyonna ntambula obudde bwenjagala ngenda buli wamu nina eddembe lyange buli wamu. Nesanyuka nnyo muzeeyi kyeyatukolera mu Mbale yatuleetera Industrial Park emirimu weegiri abavubuka tukola naye obuzibu bwenina Industrial Park omwo buzibu buli obu bumu era kyova olaba ndi wano nga njagala kutuusa amaloboozi gange ku lwekyo. Omusala gwe tufuna mutono nnyo tufuna esirings 6 ate nga bazisala ate nga bakituleetera tuganyirwemu naye siri musanyufu na musaala mutono nnyo ate bagusala nowocerewo eddakiika emu bweti nekusanga nowobeera ku geeti eddakiika eyo nekusanga oli ku geeti bakusala 20,000 oba 3 ate ng'okolera 6. Bwe bulumi bwenna ku mutima kyova olaba njagala muzeeyi afuge ebbanga lyonna tulonde n'abakulembeze abatuufu abasobola otulwanirira wansi eyo Industrial Park etereere abakulembeze nga Maama Lydia Wanyoto ne basobola otulwanira eyo. Nina abakulembeze ababadde emyaka 15.
Mzee oye alifu mzee kwasime nabi wanya kuchali ya KFM Mbale no China sasa nasime nabi sema sina kusana nga Chipotis David chairman UC Mbale division webo book kaina nasime nabi mzee kani bigaida
Abdurrahman Kibere musajja musoga n'empangalira wanene mu Bagisu. Abagisu mwenna batumiddeko mwenaayo era mulembe mwenna. Ekyosooka okubasaba nti kiri nti mbasaba ono omukyala Maama Mbale abeere nga gwe mulonda big sister waffe ono gwe muba nti mulonda kuba tutaddeyo bangi eyo mu parliament naye bwe bagenda tebaagala tujjukira. Nganze nviira mu Northern City Division. Abavubuka ba Northern City Division beetaaga obuyambi okusitulibwa mu kuba nti balinawo kye bakola. Nganze omu nakeera ku makya nenkola organization ndi CEO wa organization eyitibwa Legani Chat Organization naye nga tufandinga tugenda tulambula abalwadde n'ebisigadde naye egavumenti nga yo weeri wansi eno etusuuliridde ate nga yesobola okuba nti etutwalawo. Pulezidenti waffe Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tikuhabulwa oli musajja w'amaanyi nnyo tukwagala nnyo naye abantu b'otusindikira wansi eno baagala kulya bokka nze ntuusa obubaka buno nti bagambeko PDM bangi abafunye naye nga waliwo sente z'abayusi eziri ku kanso ze batugamba tuziwulira naye teri wa yusi n'omu eyafunako ezo sente. Njogera ku ludda lw'abavubuka ku kanso naye situfunangayoko kadde n'enkola ki naye PDM z'omu sinafuna naye nina obukakafu nti waliwo abakoze eki abafunyeko. Nsaba mwongeremu mubaboostinge bafune capital babeere nga beebeezaawo. Bangi benninawo amaanyi kukyusa omukulembeze kwe kugenda oleeta sente mu bulamu bwaffe. Ife bennyini ffe abalina okyuka ng'abantu olina okyuka nga ggwe omuvubuka weebeereremu okole ofune capital otandika okukola tunda ebinyeewa tunda amandaazi tunda n'ebisigadde ogenda funa sente. Kuba nze enyimiriddewo si lwa kugamba nti bampaako sente naye nange nsaba mujje mu Northern State Division era big sister nja kwagala mu Northern State Division obeere
luguudo papa nakusabire busabi fefe already nditse ne chairman wose chairman papa kumane luguudo papa nakuikotsele papa president Museveni kungone luguudo ngo watu kungone bridge yebushika sukutokwa hado papa nakusabire busabi papa president Museveni
omuntu ng'omuvubuka nti nedda ne mugamba nti enkoko eno gy'otunda ogitundira wa naŋŋamba wano ku kkubo ne mugaa singa oluguudo eno sirukole koraasi olowooza ab'emmotoka baliyimiridde ne bagula enkoko nnyimirira n'endyaki obunyama n'endya enkoko mukitegedde naye ku kkubo okwo kuliko abantu abatunda ebintu ennyaanya lumonde biki buli alima omukyalo ateeka ku kkubo eryo dduuka lyo. Kati president buli wayogera nti tukola enguudo abavubuka osanga batunula eyo linagamba oyo atubulira nguudo oyo atubulira security. President Museveni akomyewo nga atusaba akalulu n'ateekako theme ye bagiyita protect the gains. Kakati nosanga abavubuka babuuza gains ze ziriwa
na Mirena Bakwekwe ndumukana we mission sero indinika mukunda gwe ndimamu ndumulimi
kabiri munya senyo kansala we bavubuka embali ndi business woman ndi nikasaluni kase nikozesere bigisa abana bakana mazune era ngoli omwana omukana ko ni kyekukula njode kuwambira adwena
webale mukitegedde amanya go bakuyitani
Sebari Kakai Kasari 28 Sena tingo hotase na Mirena Mamasai kolonyi abafura mwa manyire era ndilita ngowe mwe nimihire wanga female youth councilor Mbale City NRM Tabera wanyarana kuhongera husho even this camera mubonati kati camera zitiri on the roadside. I thank the president for that. Ngwatsheko zikamera kuli ni solar lights zirika ku stroze zingudo koza kola chitu chozana security nga yabera omutati Robert enga nakola chitu chibi baza kuubona ninja nese zikamera ziriko matala galiko mutu ngaku ezo kwita omuntu oba kwiba mwiduka bakuwamba manguso Museveni atuyambire kenti kuli nibitangala zikamera ze kulugudo nizisola so na kintu kindi kuli ni freedom yekunganika avubuka kuli ni freedom yekunganika
ngasimbona abantu base bemushalo babonabona nabi nadala uholagana kumagudo ni husoma ndasu hakila mena no shinanga wankulembezi wemwe ngana ngana uholagana ni babafuha ngana huba ni namwe uholagana huba elisomero ni lugudo represent Museveni ata huwafe Nolimira mabu mbuka wachazi Kugeza muzee yale ka siringizo PDM Negenga nakuba kaseti kama mbuka ufu nako siringizo da Na dare sesi na amina Kajira nimi kama kansale
Mirena Bakwekwe Siwe mgonayu Nizimile oko wa female council Nebale kakumpa Nagare kuba mwinchiru mujeji Nezenga nekaka sebatu waliyenti Wadoku tu mujeji akupengo mwako lotiena Sofe mayuti penda kumanyile vitu zina Wanga baku wano bajesa jesa Ngeleka nati penda kukumbira ochine kukabifunamu nekuli ninjeri yakufuna access da chino chinyacheza nenga
Taranga ni testimony siringi za PDF nazifuna era usimbi message iriho siringi nzizi natirabisa mubanga mbaya tingoho umunde koko tingoho toto nyene si sese dusire musiringi hubange soma umwaka kwase kwe hataru amwitadia just it na fulire challenges nabanga this last year sindi husoma bulaita be huba siringi sirenga chendera alisa ivuke boda tafari nikali husoma kwase kwe huba siringi nzizi chanjeta nabi hubanga baya tingoho mutingoho toto nabanga nisasulire somero challenge wondi siringi bako mse milioni ndwera yongani siringi tingi saba more than 1M maybe I would singe siri somero esa ini mufaino ya siringi serenga tendera we huwa ni siringi saba mfiti alisha sinyana naromba mzei siringi zote singa batongereho singa bongede kusentezo at least from 1M wa milioni ndwera milioni ngatitaru Huba project test running at it. I think they say Sabemba ya Tingo. Project here Tingo ho ikanya ho siringi tinga lyo. Whereby umungari ni hukula video, ukule starter we pay, ukule growers we pay, ukule feeder siringi startinga. Alisha sinomba ni siringi titi sapindi musinga bazongere. Wakuba ndi running at project. Aringa yeti ko harvest nani. Ukana ho siringi tinga lyo.
Masino gose bananga walimba mugirwa ali sese no ghetto president wa Bugisu region.
Yes.
Isima itusakusima esi Brigadier General Damulira ni meja kutesa ni ba patron befe. Lwe kuba kuna nika program yi nga ke kusubira ati program yi inaba kwesi polisa. Ifefe ba ghetto mzee ananika program yi atuma bantu bano babiri meja kutesa ni Brigadier General Damulira inyanga yali nilaka meja general. Koze Kampala kuleta siringi ze babanda zegeto nenga mapesa kugakozesa bulairwe kuba kugatusayo twagabako mapesa gwesipanyala ati kulikuza kwirako round ndi kugabire bana siringi nenga mapesa gesi mzee yakuwa mapesa kega nyaga kumala fence danada wastegere kulomba mzee Museveni akonjere musiringi bana befe bosi bageto bana badanike kukola milimo lwe kuba bana inyanga igeto zaterera waulire zigeto kwazi tusayo zigeta ati inyanga iziri mu mikono je mzee yes ndi kulomba nomba president akonjere mu mukono lwe kuba kuli industrial park emwana ndani alisina wastegere bana bosiza nababeko ni capital lwe kumefefe imbale nongesu kubonefe kuli msteka wesu kunyakwali mira video wastegere mzee chesa ni kukuyenda akuwe kusa capital aweba avubuka capital buli mwana yesizana akoleko mulimo gwesa ananya wastegere industrial park eri kupi umwana nyalafu na capital ye jimitwala 5 aza mu industrial park asubula bitu byewe aleta hata ku varanda ananika kukola milimo inyanga imugeto bana bifugire ekukakasa ati kulikuza protecting against kawo mwana olikuza poka lugudo kawo mwana olikuza kubati kamera ze police we kuba ati fefe banyene buiza bulini nafe mikono jefe wastegere bazeko ni ba patron befe madam Tathaire Morin Uncle Lawrence banyala mabirwe kuba batukubiriza kwagenda ni nabo paka ku last moment inyanga bana balikufuna mapesa abatana bakufuna sente za ghetto batimfuna sente za ghetto beze ni nabo bingire musako lwe kwa mapesa galiwo kulikulomba muzei onjere musiringi zo bana buli muntu afune bavuka bose na bafune siringi lwe kubefefe ghetto kwa makale batu bamanya ghetto kuli babi nenga ke kuli babi da embera nesi yokolesa akutu bana babati kuli babi ati mzee yafujirisire alikugenda ni nafe mzee kumulomba busa onjere mani mu ghetto kawo likuza kubanijimize michamuda